How does responsive web design affect your brand's marketing efforts? As one of the leading responsive web design services in Calgary, we often get asked how having responsive design can help with brand marketing. It is essential to start with an understanding that unlike 15 years ago, today we live in a multi-screen society. That means not only is your site being viewed on desktop devices, but across smaller screen sizes, some as small as 4 inches. Responsive Web Design Statistics, 2021. The growing importance and impact of mobile device use is easily seen in consumer choices and user behavior. Our top research stats reflect these trends and effects of responsive web design for online brands and their customers. 57% of all web traffic comes from mobile devices. On an average, 8 out of 10 consumers would stop engaging with a site if its content doesn't display properly on their device. 68% of companies with a mobile-first website increased their sales. 48% users say if the business site of a company is not mobile-friendly, they'll take it as an indication that business is simply not caring. 57% of consumers wouldn't recommend a business without a mobile-friendly website. A superb overall UX design can boost website conversion rates up to 400%. 94% of online shoppers don't trust outdated or poorly designed websites. 74% of users are most likely to return to mobile-friendly websites. 72% of users expect companies to have a mobile-ready website design. 73.1% of consumers will leave a site with non-responsive design. You can read our blog post for the full list of responsive web design statistics and sources on blinddrop.com. If you want your website to rank higher, get more traffic, make more sales, provide a great user experience, and receive more referrals, you need a mobile-friendly website. Due to this increasing popularity of mobile devices, an adaptive site design is recommended for all online brands. As a responsible web design agency, we've followed Google's announcements regarding mobile friendliness over the years. Having a mobile-friendly website definitely is part of Google Search's ranking factors. It just makes sense now to build with a mobile-first web design approach. Otherwise, your website's search visibility and rankings will be hurt right from the start. WordPress, the world's leading content management system, CMS, and website builder, is the best responsive web design software available in 2021. It accommodates for many of the adaptive web design needs found in leading-edge web solutions within its core software, themes, and WordPress plugins. It remains the best tool for responsive web design, available to Calgary web designers and their clients. Without paying attention to your website's mobile friendliness, your branding efforts will not gain the same traction, nor reach the same levels of success online. Responsive website design makes brand marketing more cost-effective. Depending on your industry, brand marketing is already probably costing you a lot of money. Why add to the bill by having 2 separate websites, one for desktop and one for mobile? That way, you have a single web design that appeals to everyone. Advanced responsive web design techniques are a worthwhile investment. They deliver a faster, more fluid web experience for your customers, no matter if they are on desktop, tablet, or smartphone. You can achieve this by building around the various responsive web design layout sizes. After all, branding requires consistency, and this is the best way to be consistent with your visual messaging. Fully responsive web design and content management. One of the pillars of successful brand marketing is ensuring that your content is fresh. We're talking about the latest offers, deals, information, news, and so on. Keeping things fresh and relevant is only possible if your website is easy to work with, and that's where responsive design comes in. One of the advantages of responsive web design is the overall structure of the coding. By separating the coding and style sheets from the content management environment, it is easier and faster to make changes to a responsive website using a drag-and-drop editor. The flexibility of responsive design is a huge advantage, since you can make a few quick tweaks and updates, then publish. You can do all of this without having to worry about how the website will look across multiple devices. Does a better user experience equal more sales? As someone investing in branding your business or products, you certainly don't want to ruin your user's experience. A bad user experience, especially on your brand's website, can turn away potential visitors and consequently buyers. It can especially be the case if those buyers are visiting the website via a mobile device. For example, if your calls to action aren't mobile friendly, your visitors may entirely miss the next step that they need to make. By adjusting the placement and visibility of a call to action depending on the screen size, can therefore increase or decrease your sales and site traffic flow. You don't want the mobile version of your website to be slow, or the pictures to appear clipped off from the screen. The website also needs to be easy to navigate on a touchscreen-enabled device. Mobile web design and search engine optimization. One of the reasons we are the responsive web design services of choice is our websites rank well. Search ranking is a significant part of helping a business brand and sell products or services. Google no longer prioritizes websites that aren't mobile-friendly. That's why, if ranking a website matters to your business, it is important to ensure that your website is responsive. While there are undoubtedly other ranking factors to consider, having a responsive design is a good start. Responsive web design Calgary and area. Making sure your website is not just mobile-friendly, but mobile-optimized, is key to providing the best results for your leads, customers, and rankings. Our responsive web design company in Calgary and Cochrane, Alberta, offers a mobile-first approach for all of our custom website development projects.